Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend people on Blockman Go gaming app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the option of End Chat button at the bottom corner. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of Friends. Simply tap on it. Now to unfriend the people, tap onto the Add Friend button right here. Then choose one person's profile and tap on it. Now here you can see the Add Friend button. If this person was a friend to you, it would have shown the Unfriend button instead of the Add Friend button. Simply you just have to tap onto the Unfriend button. I don't have any friends on Blockman Go right now. That's why I am showing you this easy way to unfriend the person. And that's it. This is how you can unfriend anyone on the Blockman Go gaming app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.